Hello guys. Today in this video I am going to explain how to solve custom sort string medium lead code problem. So before we start with the programming, let's first understand how to solve this problem. Okay, let's start with the example 1 given in the problem. We have an order string which is C B A, and then we have the another string S which is A B C then D. So output, the expected output for this given problem is that we have to arrange the string S in the fashion of order string. So my output for this problem should be C B A and then D. So to achieve this output, what we can do is create a hash map for the string S, store all the characters present in the hash map, and their value should be the number of times it has occurred in that particular string. So here we can see A has occurred just once, B has occurred once, C has occurred once, and as well as D has occurred once. So once we are done with this hash map, what we can do is iterate over the order string which is C B A. By iterating, we will check if that particular character is present in my hash map or not. If it is present in my hash map, I will check for the count, how many times it is present in my original string, and accordingly I'll add that number of times that particular character in my result. So first character is C. I'll check in my hash map. Yes, it is present. How many times it is present? Just once. So I'll add it once and I'll reduce the count as 0. So I'll remove it from my hash map. Then we'll go to next character which is B. B is present once. I'll reduce it 0. I'll add it. Then I have A. A, I'll reduce the count as 0. I'll just remove it from the hash map. So it will be A. Once I'm done iterating over the order string, I'll iterate over my hash map. I'll check if any remaining keys are present or not. If the hash map contains the remaining keys, I'll add those keys and that many times in my result string. And this is how I'll achieve the output as C B A D. Let's look at the time complexity and space complexity for this problem. So the time complexity would be big O of m cross n. Why m cross n? Because we are iterating over both the strings. And then for the space complexity, it would be big O of just 1, since we are creating a hash map, and in the hash map the maximum number of characters that we would be storing will be just 26, and ignoring the constants. So the space complexity would be big O of 1. Okay, let's try with the coding. So I'll first create the hash map, then result. Okay, now I'll iterate over the string S. I'll first check if my given character is present in my hash map or not. If it is present, then I'll increase the count by 1. If not, then I'll add that key in my hash map. Now I'll iterate over the order string. I'll check if that character is present in my hash map or not. If it is present, then I'll take the count of it, and then I'll add it to the result for that number of times. And then I'll pop it. Now I'll check if there are any keys present in my hash map or not, and if they're present, then we can add those characters in the result. It should be list, I guess, because we will be iterating over the keys. I think if we don't even do this, it would work. Directly just take the count, add it to the result, then pop it. After that, return the result. Okay, let's try to run it. Okay, it should be keys. So both the test cases are passed. Let's try to submit it and check if other test cases are passed or not. Okay, yeah. So all the test cases are passed, and this is how we can solve the custom sort string problem. If you have any queries, just mention it in the comment section. I would be happy to resolve it. Thank you so much for watching my video.